If you've experienced a miscarriage, I want you to hear this. You are not broken. And this is not the end of your journey to motherhood. Right now, your body is working to heal. But what you do in the next few weeks can make a huge difference in how fast you recover and how strong your body will be for your next pregnancy. Today, I'm walking you through the exact steps to heal after miscarriage, balance your hormones, and boost your fertility naturally. So when you're ready to try again, your body is too. Hey girl, my name is Ari, and I help women struggling with recurrent pregnancy loss go from feeling defeated and unsure of their next steps to taking control of their health, strengthening their body for pregnancy, and moving forward with confidence so they can create the family they've been dreaming of. So in this video, we're going to be covering how to support your body's physical recovery after miscarriage, the best foods and supplements to restore balance, and how to track your cycle and know when your body is ready to conceive again. But first, if you want to take advantage of accelerating your journey to recovery and holding your baby in your arms, click the link in my description and join the Finally in My Arms email community, where I send out weekly tips on maximizing your chances of conceiving. Let's jump right in. Your first step is going to be to allow your body to heal, but don't stay stuck in limbo. I know the emotional pain and physical pain of what you're going through can feel overwhelming, and I'm here to let you know your body is designed to heal itself. The key is giving it the right support during this process. Here's what I mean by that. Rest, hydration, and gentle movement all play a critical role in supporting your immediate recovery. Prioritize sleep and reduce stress to allow your body to recover. Drink plenty of warm herbal teas, especially red raspberry leaf tea, to help support, tone, and strengthen your uterus. And remain gently active by walking and stretching to improve circulation and help your body reset. If you're a gym rat like me, avoid heavy workouts too soon. Your body needs at least 2 to 4 weeks to restore hormonal levels before intense training. Your next step is going to be replenishing nutrients your body has lost, because even a short-lived pregnancy depletes essential nutrients, and rebalancing them is key for healing and future pregnancy success. The top 5 nutrients I need you to focus on are iron, which support blood rebuilding, and foods like grass-fed beef, spinach, and lentils will contribute to an iron-rich diet. Folate, not to be confused with folic acid, helps cell regeneration. You can get your servings of folates from foods like dark leafy greens, citrus, and eggs. Vitamin D, which is crucial for hormone balance, is best absorbed through the skin directly from the sun, but supplement if you need to. Magnesium, which reduces stress and supports progesterone. These are your foods like pumpkin seeds and dark chocolate. Lastly, we have our omega-3s that aid in reducing inflammation. So foods like wild salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds are great sources of your omega-3 fatty acids. And if you're ready to start now optimizing your body for conception with delicious, nutrient-dense foods, remember to grab your free copy of the Fuel for Fertility mini cookbook. That link is also in my description. And here's a bonus. Taking a high-quality prenatal vitamin can help fill in the gaps while your body is healing. Your third step is to balance your hormones and reset your cycle. The question I get most often is, when will my cycle come back after this miscarriage? And the honest answer is, it varies for every woman. And a lot of the time, it even varies for the same woman. What I mean by that is, I've personally had 4 losses, and each time my cycle returned at different times. But there are steps you can take to help regulate your hormones faster. Some of those steps include seed cycling, which is a process that supports estrogen and progesterone balance naturally. Another way is, one of my personal favorite ways, is to use basal body tracking, commonly referred to as BBC. This process helps confirm when ovulation returns and a plethora of other invaluable information about what's going on inside of your body. And spoiler alert, this technique can even tell you before a missed period or home pregnancy test when you're expecting again. It's that powerful. And then I want you to reduce caffeine and processed sugars. This will help stabilize blood sugars and your hormone levels. Most women ovulate within 2 to 6 weeks after a miscarriage, but tracking helps you understand exactly where your body is. Your fourth step is to support your emotional healing. While you're healing, I just need you to know that grief is a real part of this journey and that it's okay. Just also bear in mind that emotional stress can actually impact your body's ability to conceive. So I want you to help support your emotional recovery by doing any combination of journaling, joining a support group, or doing breath work and meditation. These actions are important because acknowledging your emotions instead of suppressing them, or being around women that understand and calming your nervous system is powerful, and this supports your fertility. And that's what we want. This isn't about moving on, it's about healing in a way that allows you to move forward with hope and confidence. Your fifth step is to prepare your body for pregnancy again. Once your cycle is back on track and you feel ready, it's time to intentionally prepare for a successful pregnancy. And here's how to focus on that. You can try a preconception detox. This means removing toxins from plastics, artificial fragrances, and processed foods from your diet until you achieve your goal. Then, strengthen your uterus. Foods rich in collagen, vitamin C, and red raspberry leaf tea can all help with this. And lastly, check your labs. You can get blood work done for your thyroid, progesterone, and iron levels before trying again, so you have a more complete picture of where your hormones stand. And this last part is important. You don't have to rush. Whether you want to try again in 1 month or 6 months, your healing is on your timeline, nobody else's. So now that you know how to heal your body after miscarriage, the next step is understanding when your body is truly ready to conceive again. In my next video, I'll be breaking down the key signs that indicate you're physically and hormonally ready to try again. And if you missed my last video on the hidden causes of miscarriage that no one talks about and how to fix them, be sure to check that out here. As always, chin up, mama, straighten your crown, and let's walk in power together. You're doing great. I'll see you in the next one.